Actemium is the VINCI Energy brand dedicated to industrial processes. Throughout the industrial life cycle, Actemium designs, builds and maintains its customers' installations to improve their performance. Building on state-of-the-art expertise in process management, Actemium business units are networked to deliver service that is both local and global. As a major player in the transition to the industry of the future, Actemium provides customized robot-based solutions to meet new industrial requirements through innovation. Robotizing production systems gives industries a significant competitive edge. By handling tasks known to be physically arduous, the robot enables the user to focus on value-added operations, thereby boosting and facilitating production capacity. As the orchestrator of your projects, Actemium is positioned as an integrator of smart robotic solutions. From risk and methods analysis to user training and equipment maintenance. All services are provided in strict compliance with safety rules and applicable machinery standards. Actemium can also install ergonomic cobotic and collaborative robotic applications. Actemium, your partner in the industrial transition, boosting performance.